and welcome back to Before 5. I'm your host, Shara, and today we're going to be making a peach old fashioned. So the question of the day is, have you ever had a peach old fashioned before? Or an old fashioned? If so, leave that down in the comments. Let me know. I have never had an old fashioned nor a peach old fashioned. I just found out that this drink actually, this is one of the bartenders, top 10 drinks to make at a bar. And as many places I've been to, I've never even heard of it. I mean, martinis, yes, cocktails, different ones, yes, but an old fashioned, and I'm not even gonna joke with you. I'm a little bit scared because it's an old fashioned. Y'all already know I like doing new and vibrant drinks, but I am not going to discount an old fashioned. So here we go. In today's peach old fashioned, the ingredients we're going to be using today is some whiskey, and this is by Point Rider. The next ingredient we're going to be using is Davinci Gourmet Peach Syrup. And last but not least, we're going to be using some house bitters. And these bitters are Agronastria bitters, orange bitters. I've never even had bitters before, so this is going to be my first. And of course, we're going to use a shaker halfway full of ice. And so we're just going to get right into it. So we're going to do 2 ounces of the whiskey. And I'm just going to get my shot glass here, and we're going to just pour into 2. So this is 1. I'm going to do a halfway long pour. And this is 2. The next ingredient we're going to use is 1.5 ounces of the peach syrup. So we're going to do 1 over here. Ooh, that smells good. And we're just going to do a half. There we are. That smells delicious. And then it is 3. They said 3 drops of the bitters. I don't even know how this goes. I guess this is a dropper. So here we go. Okay, that's spread it out. 1. I don't really know. Do I go like that? 3? I don't know. Just go shake, shake, shake. All right. So we're going to make sure our top is on really, really good, and we're going to shake for about 20 seconds. All right. So now that we have shaken our drink, this is extremely cold. That smells peachy. Very peachy. We're going to put our strainer on. And pour out like so. Oh wow, that's a beautiful color too. I didn't know it wasn't going to be that much when I used that big glass, but still, you get the drift. That smells delicious. And so now I'm just going to go in with my glass ham straw and give it a little taste test. Wow. Yep, now I understand what a now I understand. I am not going to give up the old fashioned. Yes, it is an old fashioned drink, but the peach brings it out. The bourbon whiskey is really delicious with this, and I definitely would have this with my friends and family. One thing is, because it made so small, I'm going to make another one just for the thumbnail, and it does smell amazing. This is delicious. My first ever old fashioned, my first time doing the orange bitters. So 2 and 2 first, and they're both really, really good. So if you like Before 5, and I know you do, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends and your family. Let's get this channel rolling. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.